Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I wanted to share with you my recent China Glaze nail polish haul. So let's just quit the rambling and just start showing you all of these colors right away. So first up, I wanted to start off by saying that I'm going to swatch all of these colors on this little nail wheel. And if you want to know what I've got on my nails, this is the Sailor Venus nail art I just posted last weekend. So yeah, I'm just also going to add that I bought like sections of China Glaze collection, so I don't have like complete collection this time. But also there was one bottle which completely exploded in the package, and that was this one. So the neck of the bottle completely broke and it was spilled all over the place. So I contacted the Dutch web shop where I got these polishes from, and I all got them in sale. So I was just trying to get or like my money back or a replacement, and I actually got the same polish without any additional cost. So that was really nice of them to do, because I wasn't sure, because they were all like in sale and like partially sold out and stuff. I wasn't sure if I was able to get another one of these nail polishes, so I was really happy that I did. But yeah, let's just continue with this video. Because of the exploding nail polish bottle, there were two bottles which are completely covered in pink nail polish, so I tried to clean them up as good as possible, but it is extremely hot here in the Netherlands and I just finished a long day at work. So if I may come over a little more rambly than I already am, please ignore that. And please ignore the fact that two bottles aren't completely like perfectly clean yet. So let's just continue this swatch video and just show you all the stuff I got, because I'm really happy with my order. So I think I'm just going to show you all of the My Little Pony limited edition or like collection nail polishes that I got. I got 7 in total, so there were 12 in the complete collection, so there were still 5 I wasn't able to get because they were sold out already. So I'm actually searching for another Dutch or like European web shop which will ship these polishes for like a fair price to the Netherlands, because I have searched for them on eBay, and even though the China Glaze polishes on eBay aren't that expensive, the shipping actually makes it super expensive, and I really don't want to pay any extra like additional cost for shipping and stuff like that. I do want to pay like a little, but to me it is nonsense to pay with shipping included more than $6 or €6 for a bottle. That's just too much. So if you have any like recommendations of where I can actually buy these nail polishes within Europe or even Belgium, Germany, the Netherlands, just let me know in the comments down below. And thanks so much if you have any ideas where I can get those. But the first one I got is this one, and I really love the fact that the text is on the cap. This one is called Too Busy Being Awesome, and it is on the first glance a medium blue and a creamy one. I actually haven't seen any swatches of these yet, so this is like a first impressions video as well. But it's always difficult to say how these polishes will turn out on my own natural nails. So I'm just going to swatch them a little bit. I think this one will need about 2 layers on the natural nails, but it really is a pretty shade. Then the second one I got is like a Tiffany bluish minty kind of color, and it has a beautiful shimmer in it. And this one is called One Polished Pony, and it is from the My Little Pony collection as well. I'm just swatching these really randomly. It's not like I'm swatching the ones I like the most first or anything. It's just, I'm not even looking at like the numbers on the bottom. I'm just swatching however they are in the box. And that is what this one looks like. I really like the shimmer, because sometimes with polishes like these you can't really see the shimmer that well on the nail, but you can see it in the bottle, and I really like that you can also see the shimmer back on the swatch itself. So next one, let's check which one this one is. This is like an even lighter, a little bit more green, minty kind of shade, and this one is just a creamy one without shimmer, and it is called Cutie Mark the Spot. Let's just see how this one looks. I really like this shade. It's really pastel-y. But I do think that this one will need a couple of layers. There's a little hair in here. This will need a couple of layers on the natural nails, just at first glance of this one. The next one is one bottle which was completely covered in the pink nail polish which exploded, and you can see I tried taking it all off because it was completely covered in the pink polish, so the text on the cap actually got rubbed off a bit as well, and you can even see a little bit more of that pink polish there. So yeah, when that happens, it's too bad, you know. It's a shame that it came off, but oh well, what you gonna do about it? And this color is called Kill 'Em With Kindness, and it is like a little, it reminds me of like a tiny chick or something. It's a really pastel-y yellow, and just the first look of it, it is a creamy polish, but I do feel like this one will need at least 3 thin coats on the natural nails. But I really like how it looks, and actually these colors will look really beautiful in like a water marble design or something. Next up is the new bottle I just received a day after the package with the exploded one. And this one is like a soft pinky. It is like a salmon kind of pink. And the color is called Sweet as Pinkie Pie. And I already know how this looks because 2 of my bottles were completely covered in it, and so was I when I opened the box. But it really is a pretty color, and I think this one will be completely opaque on the natural nails with a couple of layers. I think about 2 layers or something, but it is a really pretty pastel-y pink, and yeah, I really like it so far. The last 2 colors I got from this collection are like shimmery or metallic ones, and this is how this one looks, again with the text on the cap. And this one is called Hey Girl Hey, and it has like a greenish golden shimmer, but it doesn't really come across on camera. It doesn't come across how pretty it is on camera compared to how pretty it is in real life. So let's see how this one swatches, and I really suggest just adding this on top of another color polish. But it does look really pretty though. Just look at that shimmer. That is really, really pretty. And I think you can actually layer this one, but it won't be completely opaque on the natural nails without a base coat layer. And then the last one is this silver color. I don't really feel like this is holographic. I do think that there are some small like sparkles which might be a little holographic, but when I look at it at first glance, it just looks like a metallic-y silver. Oh, and it is called Icy Ponies. I really think this is just a regular like silver metallic-y one, really shimmery. Maybe it is a little bit holographic, but I'm not seeing it right now. But I do think that this one will actually be really pretty on the natural nails, and you won't need much coats, as I think you will need about 2 to make this completely opaque. But that were all the colors from the My Little Pony collection as far as the bottles that I got. So in total there are 12 different shades in this collection, and I only got 7. Then next up is another collection, or like partially a collection, which are 5 shades from the Shades of Nude collection by China Glaze. And again, this was one of the 2 polishes which was completely covered in the pink polish, which exploded. But nonetheless, I tried to clean it up as good as possible. But at the bottom, as you can see, there's still like a lot of pink polish going on. But this color is called Minimalist Mama. And as I said, this is from the Shades of Nude collection. And I'm just going in. And these are just going to be really wearable, pretty nudes. And I think this is like a creamy color, but I think you will need about 2 layers to get it completely opaque. It's a really light, like a latte coffee with extra milk, if you know what I mean. Then the second one I got from this collection is a little bit more to the brownie nude side. And this one is called Fresher Than My Click. And let's just take a look at how that one looks. It's a little bit more dark, a little bit more browny, like a fleshy kind of brown color. Like a brown with a drop of pink in it. And I don't really have that many nude shades, so I really do like how this one looks, and I think it would actually look really pretty on my skin tone as well. But I really do like the light one too. I think these are really pretty to wear to a wedding or something like that. And this one is super creamy as well. I think you could even pull off a 1-coater or maybe 2 thin coats. Then the third one is this one. It is a little bit more of like a mocha kind of, a light mocha kind of color. And this one is called Pixelated. And let's just swatch that one real quick as well. I feel like this is a creamy shade with just a drop of pink in here. It is almost like a salmony creamy tone. I don't know how to explain this one, but it really looks pretty. Then the fourth one from this collection, at least the one I got, is called It's a Match. And it looks just a little lighter than the previous one. Yeah, it looks a lot lighter actually. This one seems to have more of that pink in there. Kind of almost like an orangey tone to it. And that is what it looks like. I really do like this collection so far. And then the last one from the Shades of Nude collection I got is A Whole Lot of Fun. And this is like a brownish kind of shade again. It's a little bit more towards the orangey kind of shade compared to the previous one. So I really didn't think they would differ so much from each other when I saw them in the bottles. But I really do like the different shades in here, and I think I can actually work on a lot of people with these kind of tones because there are a ton of different like undertones to it. So I am pretty pale and I have more of like a cooler undertone myself. So I think the warmer shades, just like these two, will look really beautiful if you have like a tan or are more of like an olivey kind of skin color girl. I really do like these. So I actually am going to look if I can get the other shades from this collection as well. I don't even know how many there are. I think there might be 12, just like the My Little Pony collection. But yeah, they actually look really pretty. They are completely without any shimmer, so they are fully cream. And mostly will actually be completely opaque in 2 or like 3 thin layers. Then there are only 5 polishes left, and these are all the active color lacquer and treatment polishes by China Glaze. These are just regular nail polishes, but they contain like a treatment which is good for your natural nails. So let's just go on and swatch these. So the first one I got is a Nude Awakening, which actually goes in with this little row from the Shades of Nude collection I just showed you, or at least the ones I got from that collection. So let's just try these. I've never tried any of these polishes with like the treatment in it, so I'm actually really curious to see how they work. This one is extremely creamy and it really looks beautiful. I think you could actually pull off a one coater of this one. Then the next one is also like a really light pink, almost like a nude, and this one is called Preserve in Pink. Really pretty in the bottle, so I'm really curious to see if this one is sheer or not, or how it will look. Oh, this one is super sheer. I haven't seen any swatches of this collection either, and I have no idea how many polishes there are in this collection, but I was actually hoping that this one would have turned out a little less sheer than it is, but I do think this is really pretty for a really natural manicure on the natural nails. Then the third one from the Active Color collection, and they all contain 14 milliliters, by the way, all of China Glaze's bottles. And this one is called, ooh, I don't know if it wants to focus, Made for Peach Other, which is a really cute name in my opinion. So it is a peachy, ooh, I can't open this one. It is a super peachy tone, so I think it's a little bit different than the My Little Pony one. I thought on first glance it would look a little bit the same. It is a little less creamy than the first one from this collection I swatched right here. But it does look really nice though. It is again a really soft color. It really ties in this little row of all the nude shades. So yeah, I got a lot of nudes this time. Then the second to, or like almost the final one of the Active Color and all of the polishes I got this time. This one is called For Coral Support, which is a really fun, bright, corally pink tone. And sorry guys, I just bumped the camera, so sorry you're wiggling here. I really hope this is like a super creamy one. Ooh, it actually is. I really like that. And it levels out really nicely by itself as well. I really like colors like that. That will look beautiful. I love it. Really, really pretty. And then the last one I got is also from the Active Color, and this one is called Retreat Yourself. But yeah, this is a beautiful purple shade, and as you can see, it polishes like a dream. It is super opaque. I think you can get away with just one coat on your natural nails. But yeah, that were actually all the colors I got. I really hope you liked seeing this. As I said, I got all of these items from a Dutch web shop, which is actually closing. Which is really a bummer because I loved buying my China Glaze polishes there. They have like great service. The prices are really nice as well. So I got all of these polishes, which are, let me check, 17 I think in total. Yeah, 17 colors in total. I all bought them for like reduced prices, which is really cool. I actually got great service as well with that bottle, which exploded, and I actually got sent a new one. So that was really, really nice. But if you do know any web shops, as I said earlier, who ship to the Netherlands for like decent prices, do let me know in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite color is. And yeah, thanks for watching. I will see you guys next time.